You are now.
Good morning.
Hey there.
Hello.
Ludo.
All right, let's go ahead and get started. 9:05. Well, good morning, everybody. Another week in the bag. A lot of work actually done. I mean, I know everything that Zarmian does, or not everything, but a lot of Zarmian does. But let's go ahead and start with Ludo. Ludo, how you been? Ludo, you there? All right. Well, until maybe Ludo's not there. We'll go ahead and actually start. Actually, I'm gonna start so I don't forget it because it's top of my mind. One of the things that actually has been done since last time we talked is that the relay reporting is now up and live again. We lost a lot of relays over the last couple months of that being down, but it is now reporting again. I'm just waiting for Fury to get back to me to make sure that my what I sent to him was actually accurate, and if so, he'll get back to me, and then I will trim down the list of allowed relays. Um, which is something that needs to be done for a long time now. Um, the other thing that we actually talked to Ertho and Henrik about actually upgrading the network. The indexers are ready. Ludo, you run indexers as well for Boy. I don't know if you're there, but I hope you are there so you can hear what I'm saying. Um, Make sure that they are ready for the upgrade because the upgrade is coming. Um, Soon. I think what we're doing is we're waiting for the next rollout of the Algo D, because I guess it fixes a pretty major bug. But once that is actually rolled out, um, then we will upgrade Void. Lute, are you there now? I saw you unmute for a second. I don't know what they. I mean, it'll be we're gonna be updating the to the latest Algorand node, whatever it is, and it'll be the one that's actually the one after the one that's currently out there. Sounds good to me. But there's a lot of planning that still needs to be done. We're kind of waiting until the next version to roll out, and when that happens, we'll put the plan in place. All right. Let's go to you, Army. While we wait for Ludo to be there or not be there.
I really don't have anything new this week. I've been almost exclusively working on House of Roy.
A lot of great updates. I mean, the update I did last night is like one of my favorite I've done for a long time, because it actually does like work the right way without me touching it, which is amazing. But anyway, I'll talk about House of Boy if you want. Sorry, man.
Yeah, why don't you do that? Because I don't know if I really have anything.
No way.
I haven't made any changes to any of my other stuff because Chris has been cracking the whip.
Yeah, shit needs to get done. So as far as product progress, House of Boy, liquidity pool system is advancing. We're actually almost done. I think there's only like 2 or 3 more issues left with that one, and then we'll have that completed. We have a much more robust smart contract testing coverage now. So that all of the 5 real and the waste REN are now comprehensively automated tests, and which is good. They didn't have tests before, now they do. So if they did have tests, I think Shelly ran them independently, but now it's part of the whole continuous integration suite, which is good. The talking to tests about tests, there we have a test suite all the way across all code layers now. We have contracts, client libraries, web applications. So pretty much everything is being tested now. The only thing that's remaining is a Playwright end-to-end test, and I'm waiting for actually more usability to the app before I implement that. And then we'll have everything from all of what I just said, but also every time that we make any major pushes, it'll run through end-to-end test, meaning that it'll actually go through at the web layer and make sure everything flows appropriately, which is really exciting if you're a nerd like me. A lot of developer tool hardening. I think Zarmi can attest to this, but we now have container orchestration reliability. So that's when we're actually testing. It's much more clean and doesn't have port conflicts when we're working on multiple issues at the same time. Fix the work tree isolation issues, so that's the work trees themselves. When you're working multiple issues, they don't collide as well. And then just lots and lots and lots of just gates strengthened, so AI development actually follows the rules, which is great. Because if you do AI development, one thing that you'll notice is that AI will always take the lazy way out and not do things and cause a lot of AI slop if it does. So we built in a lot of uh, actual like hard guardrails so that it does have to follow the rules, which is really neat. Um, Main things that the users can do now is that you can connect external wallets and manage wallet connections, and then the LP pool interfaces are being built. Like I said, we should have that done this week, right, Zarmin? Dave,
I'm here. What did you say? Should have what done this week?
the LP pool stuff.
Oh yeah, yeah. I'm fighting with it right now. Is why I'm a little distracted. But yeah,
Yeah, so
that should definitely
LP
be done.
pool. So like this would be just putting money in and out of machines. The next thing I want to work on for next week is got the designs done, or the mobile designs done for the most part. So what I'm gonna do is convert those designs into a sandbox dashboard. So like pretty much turn the designs into actual real components. And then once we do that, then we'll actually start applying them to the actual screens themselves. The other thing that's we'll be working on hopefully next week is game management, meaning that the idea is that we're gonna have an admin dashboard that can launch and monitor individual games. So if we want to launch a new casino that has, say, different currencies or whatever, be really easy to do. And what this foundational work allow for is that for anybody to request that a specific machine works. So the idea then is that, say if somebody creates a coin and they want to have a machine that you can play with it, they can actually put the request in, and it's going to cost money, of course, or at least their token to do so. And if they do so, it launches it, and then people can play with it. So pretty cool how that will work. And then the thing that, like I said, I was working on today, which I'm really excited about, is that I finally, thanks to Dave, kind of pushing me in the right way, making it so that um, Claude and Codex work with each other in tandem within the same Claude AI stream. And so it means there's a lot less me as being the middleman of copy and pasting back and forth, and which this means I can easily work on multiple issues at the same time. I'm limited to 3 right now because of how much RAM my computer has. Right now, the entire HOV platform takes around 3 gigabytes of RAM, mostly because of Supabase. But and then I only have 16 gigs of RAM on this computer. So if I have 3 issues working on the same time, then it takes up 12 just by that. So I think maybe eventually I need to either upgrade my computer as I get better and better at this automation stuff, or slim down the memory footprint fingerprint for each issue. So that is everything from House of Voy. Ludo, are you back yet?
I'm here. I can hear you.
Wonderful. Did you hear my thing about the indexers?
Yes.
Are you ready for the upgrade?
Yes.
Okay, because part of the upgrade is that if you don't have the indexers updated first, it can stall the network. So I'm sure you went through with this with your Algorand indexers when they did the upgrade.
They cannot stall the network. The indexers are separating from the AlgoD nodes.
The
The indexer will not work. And
Well, but they
apps that
won't.
are using.
It won't keep up, right? Like I'm assuming they'll just.
Yeah, they will pause at the upgrade round. The
right,
worst case
the
scenario.
I'll need to upgrade mine for the token indexing, because that I'm assuming will get stuck.
Yeah. So this is actually one of the warnings, is that you have to make sure that everybody updates their indexer, because if they don't, it'll pause.
Okay.
Cool. Ludo, what are you working on?
Aramid Bridge is working fine. So we need to put this to the main app basically to main web. And as I understand, Daniel is testing it from different perspectives. So this is Aramid. Then on Biotech, I'm building every day something. Like recently I added to the Biotech scan the price 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 fluctuation, like how much the price differs from like 24 hours back. But there is still some bug, so I need to investigate this little more.
Nice. That's cool.
But mostly it's working, but sometimes it goes like 20% away. So yeah.
Awesome. Cool. Anything else you got working on there, Ludo?
All of those stuff, but yeah, not yet in like for example with this Biotech tokens project, I'm playing with these AI tools to build the project by themselves. So experimenting, but there are no results yet.
Awesome. Cool. I look forward project. Yeah.
It's still at beta. Like you can see when you will not see the difference between beta and the main, or it's pushed to main.
I did. I wasn't sure. I just wasn't really sure how you wanted this done or hosted. You're just looking to have the reports hosted on like Void Rewards. Okay. It's just like, do you have a page with this hosted somewhere so I can see what it currently look like, what you have it looking like? Okay, that would be great because I just wanted to kind of see it, understand what I'm looking at, and then I can use that as like a guide. Yeah, yeah, I'll take care of that.
Awesome. All right. Anything else, everybody? All right, Nuss in the crowd. Do you have anything to say? All right. Well, then, we'll call this.
Well,
Oh, wait.
right now is it's Denver. Do you have any news from there?
From what?
It's Denver.
I didn't go. I'm not going to Denver.
Roof said he just landed.
Yeah, Roof just landed.
Yeah.
Yeah, House of Oi wasn't ready for users yet, so rather stay here and actually keep working than go to East Denver.
Okay.
How's it going, Ness? Anything from you?
Good. Nope. Just Fury updated his proposal for the hackathon, and I put a message out there for everybody to vote on it. So that might go through.
I liked
May
it.
not.
You shared the Voy message about it.
All right.
All right, everybody. Well, thank you so much, and back to work.
Have a good day.
Have a nice day. At 6, like in 3 hours, right?
No, there's not going to be a meeting. I think Bagman called it. I heard Ruth say. Okay.
Okay.
You too.
Bye bye.
Yeah.